Thokozani, Thokozani, amen nonke. Just a quick one. The topic for today is the stop blame game. Like I said, I'm going to continue sharing with you guys the experiences that I go through when I do divination to people, because the aim is to teach all of you. Khona omunye ubhuti naye okhuluma into out yazi ngizibuza ukuthi umuntu bani lo omdala kanje okhuluma into engathi yo Nkosi yami ngisaba nokusho ngiphuma ukuthandaza namhlanje ngicela ubungangcolisi umlomo wami. Uthi kimi akakaze abone idlozi elifundisayo ubhizi ya lecturer lapha epagini la. If you want to lecture people, please open your own page, because my page is for people that genuinely want to learn. The people that resonates with me will know who I am, will know how helpful am I to them. Those that will come and tarnish my page, bekhulume umsangano, please stop. You don't know me, I don't know you, but engokomoya siyaxhumana. As fun. Our gifts are not the same. Amandla wethu awafani. Ngiyacela ukuthi uke uxhele kancane ekudlaleleni epagini la, because it's open for everybody. You know. Namhlanje ke sizokhuluma ngokuthi you stop I-blame game. I came across someone, in fact not one person, lots of people abeza kimi bezohlola ya mkhulu imali ayihlali ngisabathenga ngizani imali ayihlali. I'm a true diviner. I'm very good with divination. Kwami mawufika, you don't tell me why you came here. I tell you. When I'm doing divination, this guy I get to see he's a gambler. He does gambling. He does mashonisa. Awungitshela. I guess it. You got paid, right? Uthatha imali uyibuyisela emshinini wabelungu. What do you expect? Because there's no guarantees that you're going to get that money back. The next thing, you're blaming uNkulunkulu. The next thing, you're blaming ithonga lakini. You need to respect money. You need to respect everything that you worked hard for. You stop codependency. Kubangani akube wedwa uzicabange uzazi ukuthi ubani. Know who you are. You get paid, you get invited by your friends. Bashaya itafula. In 2 weeks' time, you don't have any money. The next thing, you go uyohlola ufuna ukwazi ukuthi imali yakho iyaphi. Guys, let's be responsible. Let's be responsible. Take time by yourself. Know who you are. Discover who you are. Because the codependency style, yiyo le enza umuntu athenge ubungani ngemali yakhe. I-codependency yiyo enza uthenge ama-girlfriends and the wrong friends and the wrong girlfriends even. Because you're scared to be alone, you're scared to think, you're scared to be alone and listen to the Holy Spirit. Nethonga lakho. You're scared to be alone, to make good decisions for yourself. All what you will do, you're going to sponsor each and every person because you're scared to be alone. Why will you do gambling? The minute you start those addictions, there's a problem. There is a problem. Each and every addiction, there is a problem. Before you go, yes, for some reason, umntwana onesipho uyalahlekelwa vele into eziningi, uyalahlekelwa before ethola i-alignment nabakubo nespirit lesi esimnikeze ubizo okanye i-gift, isipho. Yes, izophela imali. Yes, izokubuda leyo moto. Yes, uzophela leyo msebenzi. But not when you know that you are being irresponsible. You are buying friendships, you are buying girlfriends, you are buying everything you buy next to you. Because you're failing to be alone for a while and check what God and your ancestors are giving you. Stop blame game. Stop i-blame game. Uhlale phansi uzimamele. Learn how to budget. Lots of people don't know how to budget, and lots of people, they like gambling, they like alcoholism, they live on addictions. And then when it all fails, when everything fails, you run into different healers. Mina ungeza kimi, I see izinto zabantu like crystal. I see everything. I will tell you, please stop being irresponsible. You are addicted to something, or you're a gambler. What happens when you tell those people the truth? They run to a different healer because they expect the different truth. Ngoba nalapho uzofika ukhokhe. Our services are not for free. Uzohlola kimi, ngikutshela iqiniso. Then you are not going to accept that truth. Then you go to another healer. Ozokutshela ukuthi kunamagundwane emali. Uzokutshela ukuthi kunamagundwane lethi imali. Don't do that. Be responsible. It's not how much you get, it's how you use it. Makukhona ongaku-understand okuningi. I've got a spiritual healing school where I teach people everything. I've got the Flames of Christ, which is a church. Ngiyafundisa ngezwi lenkosi. I teach a lot. I heal a lot. But I teach even nange budget. I teach people on a budget. I teach people ukuziphatha. I teach about everything that comes. Angigcini ngokuthi uJesu uzobuya. Angeke ngitshela abantu ukuthi uJesu uzobuya uyobuya nini. So I teach with many things. I teach ngezinto ezenzakalayo. I teach youth ngezinto ezi-affecta i-youth. I teach adults ngezinto ezi-affecta ama-adults. You can't get paid and take the money, throw it emshinini wabelungu, and you expect that money to come back. Many a times, it won't come back. It won't come back. So stop blame game and be responsible. Be a responsible person. The economic status of the country is very difficult. So you need to learn how to budget, because you're going to run to this healer and that healer, and then they're going to see your vulnerability. So it's difficult to explain into Gamoya in English, because I have to use English. Why must I use English? I use English because there's many people of different languages that wants to hear what I'm saying. People have got problems out there, and some of us have got a gift of teaching those things because of who we are. Learn how to budget. Don't take all the money to ungazincishe. Angisho ukuthi uzincishe. You budget. You leave something for your entertainment. You save. Otherwise, if you don't respect money, and the money is not going to respect you. So try, because you're going to run around. The minute uhamba skodlo to skodlo, uhamba uhlola, iyaphela kwaleyo mali leyo. Because you'll be looking for a different answer. You'll be looking for somebody that will say, oh, somebody is bewitching you because of your money. I don't, because you don't stay with the money. Someone is bewitching you. Please buy money. Please buy amakondo analeti money. Please, I've got rest that brings money to you. Take this, take that. Those things don't work. Actually, they don't exist. It's a topic for another day. So today, I was just sharing what I came across. My tribe will enjoy my topics. My tribe will enjoy my topics. Those that resonate with me, they will enjoy. We're going to click. We're going to connect. They will know who I am to them, to their lives. Ama-haters, qhubeka uhambe uyofaka imali ekhasino. From there uhambe uyohlola. Uzozwa ngathi uyasha, because kuzoba ikhombo nje yenkinga, nkinga after nkinga, mashonisa after mashonisa. Because if you start borrowing imali kumashonisa, you'll never pay that debt off. You're going to borrow and borrow and borrow and borrow. Borrow from John to pay Peter. What kind of a life is that? Akukho moya owenza kanjalo. Be responsible for your own life. Ake ngithi awa vote yabonga mkhulu, asenzeni kanjalo. Today I'm giving you my tough love. There's times whereby we need tough love, and today I'm going to give you tough love. Amen. Vote. I want